Kerrygold stands out in the world of dairy for its exceptional butter and cheese, cherished by many for a host of reasons. Here's a look at what sets Kerrygold apart. Firstly, the heart of Kerrygold's magic lies in its sourcing. Milk from cows that graze on the lush, green pastures of Ireland. This grass-fed diet enriches the milk with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin K2, and conjugated linoleic acid, offering benefits that span heart health to weight management. What truly captivates the palate, however, is the rich, creamy flavour of Kerrygold products. This distinctive taste, a direct gift from the grass-fed cows, elevates cooking and baking, transforming simple meals into memorable feasts. In an era where the call for natural foods resonates louder than ever, Kerrygold answers with its commitment to purity. Free from artificial additives and preservatives, it's a choice that aligns with the quest for clean eating. The quality of Kerrygold is unparalleled, a testament to Ireland's superior dairy farming practices. It's this consistency and excellence that have earned Kerrygold a place in kitchens across the globe. Versatility is another feather in Kerrygold's cap. Whether it's baking flaky pastries or achieving the perfect sear, Kerrygold butter proves to be an indispensable ally in the kitchen. Lastly, Kerrygold's global availability means that no matter where you are, the joy of indulging in high-quality Irish butter and cheese is just a supermarket away. In essence, Kerrygold is more than just dairy. It's a celebration of flavour, quality, and the natural goodness of Ireland's pastures, cherished by food lovers everywhere.